Hello, so my name is Janice, full name Janice Vivian Lau, and I am currently a grade 8 student from Indonesia. So I will be explaining about the topic probability and how it is used in a real life situation, which is weather forecasting. So first of all, what is it? What is probability? So probability is the likeliness of something happening calculated in the form of the number of ways something can occur over the total number of outcomes. Well, usually probability is expressed in the fraction form, which is the number of ways something can occur over the total number of outcomes, but sometimes it can also be expressed in decimal form, which is basically the number of ways something can occur divided by the total number of outcomes, or also in percentage form, which you just need to multiply the decimal form or fraction form by 100. So, for example, you are given 3 apples, and these 3 apples are all very, very identical, and you never seen them before. But then you're told that one apple is poisoned, but you don't know which one it is, and you are not told which one it is. And then when you pick up an apple, the chances of picking up the poisoned one will be 1/3. This is because the number of ways something can occur, which is picking up a poisoned apple, which is only 1, over the total number of outcomes, which is the 3 apples, because there are 3 apples in total, it'll be 1/3. While the chances of picking up the not poisoned apple will be 2/3. Since there are 2 apples that are not poisoned, while there are 3 apples in total. And also, probability can only be used when the chances of getting each outcome is equal to one another, meaning that post-judgment against the outcome should not be done beforehand. So, for example, you have the 3 apples again, and to make it fair, you should not be told by a third party which apple is the poisoned one. So we should not know which apple is the poisoned one or which apples are the not poisoned ones. And all apples should look exactly the same or identical. And we also can't, check each apple individually to find out which one is the poisoned one and which ones are the not poisoned ones. So the real life example I'll be talking about is weather forecasting. Weather forecasting is a very important thing in life, since sometimes we need to predict the weather so that we can do some activities, especially outdoor activities. So how is probability used in weather forecasting? So basically, the concept of probability is used in weather forecasting to predict the probability of precipitation, to find out the chances that precipitation will happen at a certain time or place, certain time or day, in a certain place, city, area, town, whatever. And to do that, there will be 3 steps. So for step 1, you first need to find the area of precipitation. And to do that, you need to first estimate the percentage of the area that will have rain, and then try assuming the oncoming cloud formation that will come over to the area you live in. And then divide the total square miles in your area by the square miles in the rain cloud formation. And lastly, you need to multiply the number times 100 to get the percentage. For step 2, you will need to determine the confidence percentage, which you can do by using the table from the National Weather Service, which can be searched up or you can just look up in the internet, and there you can check the percentage that ranges from 1% to 100%. And lastly, the last step will be to multiply the confidence percentage with the area with precipitation to find the percentage of the probability of precipitation. And that is it. And in this video, I have explained how to use probability for weather forecasting, as well as what probability is in general. And in conclusion, basically, probability is a simple math concept that can be used in different types of real life situations, one being the weather forecasting. And thank you for listening to me speak and also watching my video. And also here are the resources or sources that I used to create this video and slides. Some of these sources are for the photos, GIFs, and also the information inside. Thank you!